I don't think we're going down that again. Hi guys, you're at Llantrisant west of a crossing bridge with Theo's Trains, Wheels and Alfie's videos.
Hidden in little containers and God knows what.
Hang on.
Right, see, leave the camera there this time. Leave it there now.
No, I'm leaving it there.
Leave it there. Do your waving and then come back to your shot. Come on. That's the whole point of the tripod, is to keep it still.
Hello everybody, Alfie's videos and Theo's Trains, Wheels here. We just said Theo's Trains, Wheels at the same time.
Don't move the camera. Hey.
Right, hang on.
You're so hilarious, Theo.
Yep.
Theo, you make me
I know,
laugh.
I'm a funny guy.
Yeah, you
Right.
make me laugh.
Do you want me to read this out for you? I can do it.
This train
Oh,
is
yeah.
train coming now is the 1 Echo 38 from Cardiff Central to
This is for your time now is 12:56 on Wednesday the 1st of January
Passing
2020.
clean at 12:57.
This is for your give me a second.
Use the map.
It's okay, I'll read it out.
Okay.
This is for, give me a second.
If you're wondering where the train is, you can use the map.
Oh, that's good. You're 12:57, expected 58, 1 Echo 38, Leave Trains West Service from Cardiff Central to Carmarthen, and possibly even for your 13:03, 1 Lima 20.
No, it's going to go up.
Might be, look. Might possibly even for your 13:03, 1 Lima 20, Great Western Railway Service from Swansea to Cardiff Central, expect to pass 13:03 on time.
Hang on. Dad, too much. See?
No.
So then I said, oh, fucking hell. So what we're doing with that? I said, well, I invested it. It was your nan and granddad's money which gave to me, and thought, well, you're pissing at the wall. So I invested it and made fucking 30, 40 grand on it. And then he said, on top of that, you've got the sale of the house and everything. I was like, for fuck's sake. Let's go and sit down for a bit. But
well, we kept on with Dad's money, and he said he had 4 or 5 different bank accounts, but you know, you didn't need.
5240. Carmarthen from Cardiff Central.
Will you finish with that?
Calling out Carmarthen. I don't know where. So, right, bye guys.